Take the frame holder and frame rod out from number 6 box. Unwrap the clear film from the frame rod. Unscrew the screw on the frame rod. All the accessories. Take out the Allen wrench. Move the metal base to the side. Use 3mm Allen wrench. Make sure the side with the step is facing upwards and faces to you. Half tighten the 3 screws from the bottom. The frame support should be in parallel. Then tighten all the screws. Method 1. Use thumb screws 3 from the cap set and 1 from the toolbox. The first and third hole is for the largest embroidery frame number 1. Tighten screws. Install the frame holder on the other side. Make sure this is vertical. Method 2. You can also use the small screw from number 6 box. Use 3mm Allen wrench.